Hello, and welcome to the 10-Minute Spiritual Timeout. I'm your host, Gary Takesian. Our topic this time is go easy on yourself. In today's culture, criticism and negativity can show up anytime, and no one is as hard on us as we are on ourselves. Setting unrealistically high standards can stop creativity and imagination in its tracks. But there is another way. Self-compassion through peace and understanding can restore the tranquility and calm that allows us to see the world in a more positive and empowering light. So I invite you now to settle back into a comfortable position and allow your body to relax into the surface beneath you. Let your shoulders soften. Unclench your jaw. And let your breath slow and deepen. Let's take a deep breath in together all the way. Hold for just a moment. And exhale slowly and completely. This is your time. It's a moment to step away from the noise of the world and return to yourself. We live in a world where criticism and negativity can spread quickly through the media, in conversations, and in comparisons. But often, the most persistent critic that we face is the one within. No one is usually as hard on us as we are on ourselves. So this time, we pause. Not to fix ourselves, not to improve or correct, but simply to soften. In New Thought, we understand that we are spiritual beings in a process of becoming, and that growth does not happen through harshness. Rather, it unfolds through awareness, kindness, and understanding. Take another slow breath in, and as you exhale, imagine releasing the need to be perfect. Releasing the need to be perfect. Bring your awareness inward now, to the quiet space beneath your thoughts. Notice the rhythm of your breathing, the gentle rise and fall of your body. And if thoughts arise, that's okay. Just let them pass without judgment. You don't need to engage them. You don't need to argue with them. Just notice and return to the breath. Now I invite you to imagine a warm, steady light at the center of your being. This light represents compassion. The same compassion that you so freely offer to others. And with each breath in, feel this light growing warmer. And with each breath out, feel it expanding. This light carries a simple message. You are enough, right where you are. You are enough, right where you are. Let that truth settle gently within you. Setting unrealistically high standards can quietly drain our energy. It can silence creativity, stifle imagination, and replace curiosity with pressure. So, in this moment, allow yourself to loosen the grip. Release the idea that you must have everything figured out. Release the belief that your worth is measured by profession, productivity, or perfection. Silently affirm within, I give myself permission to be human. I give myself permission to be human. I allow myself to grow at my own pace. I allow myself to grow at my own pace. Now imagine stepping into your peaceful inner sanctuary. It's a place where expectations dissolve and understanding takes their place. Here, you are not being evaluated. You are not being compared. You are simply allowed to be. Feel the calm of this space. Feel the relief it provides. When we speak of self-compassion, this does not mean lowering your dreams. Rather, it means changing the way you walk toward them. With patience instead of pressure. With curiosity instead of criticism. With peace instead of force. Remember that the divine within us is never harsh. It is loving, creative, and encouraging. So let that same quality guide the way you speak to yourself. Gently repeat inwardly, I treat myself with kindness. I treat myself with kindness. I choose understanding over judgment. I choose understanding over judgment. I go easy on myself. I go easy on myself. Feel how these words soften the mind, relax the body, and open the heart. Now, imagine carrying this gentleness with you into your daily life. And notice how your thoughts shift. Notice how creativity begins to breathe again. Notice how calm allows new possibilities to appear. Peace creates clarity. Understanding restores balance. And it's important to know that you are not behind. You are not broken. You are in process. And that process deserves patience and care. Take a slow, nourishing breath in And exhale completely. And as we prepare to return, bring your awareness back to your body and to the space in which you find yourself, and to the steady rhythm of your breath. Carry this truth with you. Going easy on yourself is not weakness, it is wisdom. Going easy on yourself is not weakness, it is wisdom. And as you take another breath in and gently exhale, when you're ready, open your eyes, bringing with you a softer voice, a kinder perspective, and a renewed sense of calm. Peace and blessings. And so it is.